the real estate market is on the boom.
Goa has always been a destination for holidays. So North Goa has traditionally been a party place. People who want to enjoy it, take it easy with their friends. But if we talk about New Goa, the area coming up near Mopa Airport, people like the Maharashtra and Goa governments. So usually see a 2x situation happening. 6 to 8% rental yields per year.
Goa government and Maharashtra government is Let's welcome Mr. Parikshit Chopra from KDC Real Estate. Hi, Mr. Parikshit.
Hello sir, thank you very much for the opportunity. ये मेरा सौभाग्य है आपने बुलाया मुझे.
Sir, Goa has always been a holiday destination. But nowadays, as everybody knows, the real estate market is on the boom. So as per your insight, what is fueling the Goa real estate market?
So there are multiple factors, sir. So if you see, Goa has always been a destination for holidays. And for that matter, people who used to travel to Old Goa were a different segment. Senior citizens or people who want to relax and take it easy. They want to see the churches and they want peace, tranquility and quiet. And they want to be in natural surroundings. However, on the other hand, the olden part of North Goa, so North Goa has traditionally been a party place. So people who want to have experienced nightlife, people who want to enjoy it, take it easy with their friends and, close-knit family members. So it has been largely a party destination. But if we talk about New Goa, the area coming up near Mopa Airport, so that is coming up in a transformational space.
Okay.
And this is where the actual transformation of real estate is happening. It is being fueled by very friendly government policies. Very supportive government policies. There's an infrastructure boom of nearly 22,000 crores plus. So it is at an entry point where it is a very, very rock bottom entry point. And in the next 5 years, we can easily see a 2x situation happening. So 6 to 8% rental yields per year. And what is fueling the boom is the benefit that the customers are getting. So especially in the IT segment or any particular industry, everything has moved online. So as opposed to traditional workplace where there's a physical office, brick and mortar office, people can now work online. And when people are working online, they don't want to live up in cramped metropolitan cities. They say, I want to have the best of Goa climate. And at the same time, I don't want to compromise on my work ethics. So they can work from home while they are in Goa and enjoy the beauty, the culture, the vibrancy of the beautiful Goan climate throughout the year. So friendly government policies, extremely proactive work being done by developers like Novel Developers and target customers coming from all corners of the world actually. People who don't like living in cold and temperate zones like UK or certain parts of northern US or Canada. For them, Goa makes a perfect lifestyle destination choice. And they can be in different time zones, but they can still be working together.
Right.
So these all are the factors we are keeping in mind.
So do you think the Goa government and Maharashtra government is planning for, bringing some good things like hotels and some, anything else?
This area is coming up as a catchment zone for an entire metro city coming up in the north of Goa. And the biggest factor fueling this is the Mopa Airport. And next to the Mopa Airport, we also have a cricket stadium. So for example, you consider a place like Dwarka in Delhi or even Gurgaon in Delhi. So it has come up with beautiful connectivity to all the major states nearby to Delhi. And it has become an extension of the Delhi metropolitan area. Similarly, the Sindhudurg area in Maharashtra and the proximity to Goa, that entire area is coming up very, very wonderfully in terms of accessibility from highways, in terms of infrastructure boost by the government for cricket stadiums, hotels, schools, hospitals, best of institutions. Plus, the New World Developers is also focusing on a world-class clubhouse. The prices are very, very competitive, rock bottom prices. There are so many developers we are working with who have prices which are nearly 2x or 3x your prices already. And still they are selling. So the price you're offering, the value offering that you're giving, and the benefits, I cannot emphasize more and more again. That people don't buy what you are doing. People buy the reason. People buy the why you are doing it. And I think New World Developers has really focused on this concept of the benefit they are giving to customers. The benefits include world-class township and super luxury in the heart of the greenery. So no compromise on the environmental aspects. World-class clubhouse. Amazing connectivity through the national highways. and through the Mopa Airport. What more can a customer ask for, you know?
I would like to know, lots of developers are bringing their project. Do you think New World's project will give them the higher returns as compared to the other developers?
So the Sindhudurg area, as you know, New World developers, I think we are talking about integrated land banks in excess of 700 acres in the months and years to come. And the current phase which we've launched is 51 acres. The main advantage is that your frontage of about 2.5 kilometers is on the main highway, national highway. So that itself is very, very accessible to the general public. And we cannot forget the target audience which we are seeing. So we are attracting all levels and all age groups of audience, including millennials and the new generation, the newly working, salaried people who are started working 25, 26 years old. We're also inviting retired people who want to invest their lifetime savings. They have possibly worked hard for 35, 40 years. And they want to consolidate their assets and enjoy the best of weather in Goa. Thirdly, we also have aspirational buyers who aspire to have a lifestyle which matches their current income levels. And so they are looking for super luxury. We also have a lot of corporate salaried executives and many business owners who want a particular lifestyle aspiration and they want to move with a particular gentry. So, and we also have a reality which is happening post-COVID world, the work from home reality. So a person may not be happy with the climate or weather he gets in London or in Europe or in places like Canada, or even the harsh winter that they have in Delhi or Punjab or any other northern state of India. So they say we don't want to compromise on the lifestyle aspect. We would rather spend our New Year's in Goa. We'd rather spend all the winter months in Goa and at the same time retain our jobs in these geographic locations. So this is the value offering you're giving. You're giving a world-class clubhouse. You're giving straight connectivity on the national highway, frontage on the national highway, and full, environmental aspects you're saving. There's full greenery, and there's no compromise on the cleanliness, on the facilities, on the amenities you are giving. So I think it's a no-brainer that why should anybody not invest in New World developers when you're giving so many benefits to the customer.
So do you think Northern Hill by New World developer can provide the good ROI over their investment in Goa?
Yes, definitely. Very important point you've raised, Mr. Vishesh.
Thanks.
So, New World Developers is always focused on giving value to the customers. And, it makes great sense for investors because situation is very different in Goa. Instead of a per month or a per year rental yield, we're getting a daily ROI. Daily rental value is very, very high. You can give it on rent to Airbnb or to any travel portal like Agoda or TripAdvisor. And you start getting instant queries online because the tourist demand is there all year round. That is a big, big plus point. So you get rental yields on a daily basis, which are comparable to hotel rates.
Yeah, monthly instead of monthly rental.
Instead of monthly or annual.
Per day rental.
Per day
yes,
rental is very, very high. Secondly, it matches hotel rates. And even if you look at a per year annual rental yield, it's 6 to 8%, which is very, very high for the residential sectors. Aap Delhi, Gurgaon aaye, you will not get rental yields higher than 1.5 to 2%. So 6 to 8% is in sync with global rental values. It's a very, very high rental yield. And if you invest today at rock bottom prices, because of the infrastructure coming up like Mopa Airport and Film City and so many hotels, schools, institutions, and as I told you, the figure of 22,000 crores being put in by Maharashtra government and Goa government. So you can easily look at very conservatively, I'm saying, in the next 5 to 6 years, you can look at a 2x appreciation.
Right.
2x in 5 to 6 years makes a lot of sense. You will not get it in any metropolitan city. So people who have a little bit of vision, a little bit of foresight to invest in the real estate market, you need to be having a little bit of faith in the developer and you need to have a calculated risk appetite. You can review the lot of market research reports. We cannot say hame pata nahi tha. Ignorance is not an answer, sir. We are living in a digital age. It's the time of ChatGPT. It's the time of artificial intelligence.
Right.
So ignorance is not an excuse. अगर आपने समय निकाल के देखा नहीं कि आप क्या what is the, you put a simple command on ChatGPT, rental returns in the next 5 years or average property price appreciation in the next 5 years in Goa, in Sindhudurg, in New World developers, you will get a fantastic response. So you cannot say that you are not aware because, ignorance is not an excuse, sir. It's we're living in a highly digital, highly transformational age where information is king, knowledge is king. And it's up to us to tap the benefit that New World Developer is offering to the customers.
as per your insight, I would like to know what are the factors which will, take the Goa tourism on the next level, and as well as the investor will get the benefit.
Great question, Mr. Vashish. So I'll tell you that there are a lot of factors which are fueling this real estate boom in the Sindhudurg area, which is very, very close to North Goa. So Mopa Airport has become operational in 2022, and it's a world-class airport. A lot of flights are taking off and coming every day. So other than that, the National Highway 66, the connectivity has come up beautifully. And close to Mopa Airport, the AeroCity, 2,000-acre AeroCity is coming.
Oh,
So that itself is going to fuel an entire infrastructure and real estate boom.
right.
Because of connectivity on National Highway 66. So connectivity is very, very convenient. We have a lot of people who are traveling from Delhi straight to Goa because connectivity has become world class. So nowadays you travel on Indian highways. They say that these roads are not less than American roads. So we have seen the highway boom in the entire country.
Right.
And that's fueling the real estate prices. Thirdly, there are very untouched beaches in these parts of North Goa and, border of Maharashtra.
Like Siroda Beach, Vangorla Beach, like.
Yes, these are very, very popular beaches which have pristine natural beauty. They have, unseen wildlife.
Right.
Like, turtles, natural turtles.
Yes.
And many, many more exotic varieties of aquatic animals.
All right.
So these beaches are untouched, pristine beaches. They are not as crowded and congested as the prime city beaches of Goa. So moreover, the connectivity, highway connectivity, Mopa Airport, AeroCity, and all these factors are fueling the real estate boom. So it's actually a no-brainer that, New World Developers is giving these benefits to the customers in the midst of this beautiful infrastructure boom by the government. So these are the factors fueling the real estate prices in this part of Goa.
Who exactly are going to invest in Goa market?
So Mr. Vashish, I can tell you we are dealing with nearly 15 to 20 developers in the Goa area. And the fact that there is perfect weather all year round makes it a very, very conducive and attractive place for customers who can be from anywhere in the world. There are places in London, Europe, and, extremely tropical climates like Singapore, Malaysia, or Thailand. And we have places in Northern Europe, Canada, US, northern parts of US, where the weather is very, very unpleasant throughout the year. People are not happy with the weather, but they do not want to compromise on their employment.
Right.
So we have very high-level, top-level corporate salaried executives who wish to buy a home in Goa, where they can work from home, enjoy the same employment status, at the same time enjoy the weather in Goa. We have millennials and, aspirational home buyers who have just started working. They might be 23, 24 years old, and they started their work life. And they are very, very, high-headed and ambitious by nature. At the same time, they want to have a relaxed lifestyle. So these kind of aspirational buyers we are seeing who want to have the best of both the worlds, high income levels as well as complete family life and no compromise on the weather conditions. Then we have people who have worked hard all their lives, like, 35, 40 years of experience, retired people. So they have lived their life, they have fulfilled their responsibilities towards their families. And they want to get the best of the world for their spouse. And they want to live their life of their dreams. They have the money. They have fulfilled their responsibilities. They've done their work-life balance. And now they want to live the good life after retirement. Those aspirational home buyers, retired people, 60, 65 plus are also there. And of course, we have the work-from-home culture, which is coming. So these are people who are in the IT sector or in roles which are not client-facing, maybe technical roles. And after COVID, the work-from-home has become a reality. So they could be geographically based anywhere in the world. जैसे हम कहीं भी क्यों जाएं, हम गोवा में ही जाएंगे.
For the second home purpose and the things you are telling me, anybody can go to the other cities of the India as well, like Himachal and other cities. Why anybody should go and invest in Goa market?
सर वो कहते हैं ना कि जो हीरे की पहचान है वो जौहरी को ही होती है. So why will anyone not choose the crown jewel of India? जो crown jewel है वो तो गोवा ही रहेगा.
Yes.
आप कहीं भी जाएं,
Absolutely.
everything else is a second choice.
Everybody is willing to go out at least once in a life.
तो वो जो हीरे मोती की पहचान है वो जौहरी को ही रहती है.
Johari ke baare.
तो जो jewel है वो jewel ही रहता है. Goa will always, whether you have any influencers saying negative things, कोई कहता है टैक्सी की प्रॉब्लम है, कोई कहता है फलाने की प्रॉब्लम है. These are all personal opinions. जो beaches है, pristine natural beauty, excellent environment, and the prices, rock bottom prices that New World Developers is offering. Infrastructure boost by the government.
Yes.
And upcoming Aerocity, beautiful connectivity by national highways. So multiple factors are coming in to fuel this real estate demand.
That will increase the bottom price to getting the IRR.
Perfect, it's a perfect entry point to have, sir. और आपका थोड़ा सा विजन, थोड़ा सा फोरसाइट है. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि ignorance is not an excuse. It's a digital age. आप थोड़े से कमांड डालेंगे चैट जीपीटी पे, किसी भी AI प्लेटफॉर्म पे, you will get a whole bunch of growth drivers which are in place for this part of Goa and Sindhudurg. So, a lot of real estate developers have still not understood this. New World Developers, as we know, the pioneer in this area. So we are totally associated with them. And sky is the limit for people who have this vision and foresight to invest.
So thank you, Mr. Chopra. It was wonderful to have you on the show. So thank you for tuning in, and special thanks to Mr. Chopra for wonderful insights. Until the next time, remember, it is all about the right location for investment, and Goa, it is the right time to invest. Thank you very much.